Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing quality Inn Richmond. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Tucked in the rolling hills of Kentucky, the Quality Inn in Richmond offers easy access to the Acres of Land Winery, Eastern Kentucky University and Boonesboro State Park. Guests of the hotel are invited to relax in the seasonal outdoor pool, utilize the business center, work out in the fitness center and enjoy the following additional amenities: free hot breakfast, free wireless high-speed internet access, free newspaper Monday through Friday, and a meeting room. All guest rooms include a flat-screen TV with cable, coffee maker, desk, microwave, pillow-top mattress, hairdryer, alarm clock, iron and ironing board. This is a pet-friendly hotel, with 4-legged friends allowed to stay for a fee. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.